Hello friends, welcome to the Mind Test Tech YouTube channel. My name is Prince and this is our 10th JavaScript lecture, and in this lecture we will study about the arithmetic operators in the JavaScript. That what is that arithmetic operators and how to use these arithmetic operators in the JavaScript. So friends, in the JavaScript we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, that is the remainder, and also increment and decrement. These are the arithmetic operators in the JavaScript, friends. Now we will discuss one by one about these operators, friends. Now for to like that, we have to first open the Sublime text editor and let us discuss about the addition arithmetic operators, friends. So for that we have to create a variable, that is the variable, and then sum is equals to, let us give the value that is the 7 plus 2 and then semicolon, friends. Now here friends, this plus is what? This plus is the addition operator, friends. That is the addition operator, friends. And this equals to is the assignment operator, friends. So what does this addition operator? This means it is used to add the numbers, and assignment operator means it is used to assign the value. Like the value of the 7 plus 2 will be stored into that variable, that is sum. That is this assignment operator will assign the value of, that is the sum of these two values into that, into that sum variable, friends. So this is about that. This is the assignment operator, this is the addition operator. Now let us print the value of that. So to print the value, what do you have to do? We have to write here the alert box method, that is the alert box, and in that I have to call here the sum variable. So what I did here, friends, I have called that sum variable, this sum variable, onto that method, that is the alert. Now it will print the value of this. Now Control plus S. Now open that arithmetic.html named file. Now you can see that it is giving the result, that is the 7 plus 2 is 9, friends. So this is the addition operator in the JavaScript, friends. Now if I write here the negative, that is the minus. Now this is what? This is what? That was the addition operator, and this is the subtraction operator, friends. Now Control plus S and then now Control plus R. Now you can see that it is giving the result, that is the 5, friends. It is the 5, friends. This is the what? This is the subtraction operator, friends. Now if I write here the star, that is the multiply. So this is the multiplication operator, friends. Now Control S, this will multiply this value, that is the Control plus R. You can see here that it is multiplying, that is giving the 7 to the 14, friends. This is about the multiplication operator. And also there is also the division operator. If I write here the divide, that is Control plus S and then now Control plus R, you can see that it gives them, that is the 3.5, friends. Now next is our modulus operator. We have to write here the percentage symbol for the modulus operator. This modulus operator will give you the remainder of these numbers. Okay, now Control plus S and then now Control plus R. Now you can see that it is giving the resultant remainder, that is the 1, friends. So this is about the operators in that. Now let us discuss about the priority of these operators. There is the priority. Like if I do like that, that is 7 plus 2 and multiply 2. So what should be the answer, friends? The answer should be it will first multiply these two numbers, because the priority of the multiply is higher than the plus, friends. Okay, because the priority of the multiplication and the division is higher than the plus symbol. So it will first multiply these two numbers, that is the 2 into 2, that is the 4, and then it will add these two numbers, like Control plus S and then now Control plus R. Now you can see that it is giving the result, that is the 11, friends. This is the 11. Why 11? Because first it will add, that is the 2 to the 4 and 4 plus 7, that is the 11, friends. Okay, you can't write here that is the 7 plus 2, that is the 9, and to the 2, that is the 18. You can't. And if I do like that, if I write here that is the bracket, that is this type of braces like that, now what will be the answer? So friends, the priority of the bracket is very higher. The priority of the bracket is on the top. That is, it will first add these two numbers, that is the 7 plus 2, that is the 9, and then it will multiply the number, that is the 9 to the 18, friends. Now Control plus S and then now Control plus R. Now you can see that it is giving the result, that is the 18, friends. So this is the priority, that is the most important, that is you should know about the priority of the numbers, friends. Okay, friends, so this is about that. Now let us study about the increment and the decrement operator, friends. Like if I give here the value, that is the 7, friends. Okay, that's what. Now increment operator is like that, sum plus plus. So this is the increment operator, friends. What does this plus plus means? That is, this will plus plus will increase the value of that value, that is the sum, to 1, friends. Like it is containing the value that is 7. Now if I do like that, the sum plus plus, then it will give the value that is, it will increment the value that is, it will be 8, friends. Okay, it will increment the value it by 1, friends. Okay, it will be 8. Now control plus F and then now control plus R. Now you can see that it is giving the value that is the 8, friends. Okay, so it is incrementing its value that is 7 to the 1, that is 8, friends. And if I do like that, that is the minus minus, now it will decrement the value of that is sum, that is this. You can see that this is the 7, it is containing the value in that variable, and this is that is the value 7 is decremented by 1, so it will give the result that is the 6, friends. Now control S and then now control R. Now you can see that it is giving the result that is the value that is the 6, friends. So friends, this is about the arithmetic operators in the JavaScript, friends. In our next lecture, we will study about the comparison operators in the JavaScript, friends. Friends, these arithmetic operators, these operators are very important in the JavaScript, friends. Because whenever you will make a large program or any complex program, then you will find the value of these operators, friends. So friends, it is enough for today. If you like my video, then you can subscribe my channel, share my channel, and also press the bell icon so that the notification of my all the new videos will show to the notification bar of your mobile phones. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.